Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at an exciting new sports car, the 2025 BMW Z4. This latest iteration of the iconic 4 Roadster promises to be a true driver's car, packed with cutting-edge technology and the signature performance that BMW is known for. Let's dive in and see what this new Z4 has to offer. The 2025 BMW Z4 builds upon the sleek, modern design language that has defined the model in recent years. Up front, you'll find the signature BMW kidney grille, now slightly more pronounced and flanked by a pair of slimline, angular headlights. The long, sculpted hood leads into a short, muscular rear end, giving the Z4 an incredibly dynamic and athletic stance. Subtle character lines run the length of the body, adding visual interest and highlighting the car's taut, well-proportioned silhouette. One of the most striking design elements is the Z4's retractable hardtop roof. At the press of a button, the sleek, aerodynamic top folds away, transforming the car into an open-air roadster. This not only enhances the driving experience, but also allows the Z4 to maintain a clean, uninterrupted profile when the roof is raised. Step inside the 2025 BMW Z4, and you're greeted by a beautifully crafted, driver-focused cabin. High-quality materials, including premium leather and brushed aluminum accents, create a luxurious and refined atmosphere. The cockpit is centered around a large, high-resolution digital instrument cluster and a sizable central touchscreen display that houses the latest version of BMW's iDrive infotainment system. In terms of technology, the new Z4 is packed with the latest features. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration ensure seamless smartphone connectivity, while a premium audio system with surround sound provides an immersive listening experience. The car also comes equipped with a host of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, all designed to enhance safety and driving confidence. Of course, the true heart of the BMW Z4 lies in its performance capabilities. Under the hood, you'll find a range of powerful engine options, including a turbocharged inline-six and a potent hybrid powertrain. Regardless of the configuration, the Z4 promises to deliver the exhilarating driving dynamics that BMW enthusiasts have come to expect. The car's lightweight construction, precisely tuned suspension, and near-perfect weight distribution create a wonderfully nimble and responsive driving experience. Whether you're carving through twisty mountain roads or experiencing the thrill of open-top driving on the highway, the Z4 will put a smile on your face. In conclusion, the 2025 BMW Z4 is shaping up to be an exceptional sports car that will appeal to driving enthusiasts and luxury buyers alike. With its stunning design, cutting-edge technology, and the legendary performance that BMW is known for, this latest Z4 is poised to set a new benchmark in the roadster segment. If you're in the market for a dynamic, driver-focused sports car that offers the perfect blend of style and substance, the 2025 BMW Z4 should be at the top of your list.